Hello, fifth grade, and welcome to your second lesson of the week. Do you remember that I recorded a video for you talking about the writing process and that we have like a few steps before we start writing? And the first step was brainstorming, then clustering, then doing an outline because you cannot start writing out of the blue. You need to think before you start writing, all right? So, after you do all that, you're brainstorming, you need to pick a topic first, then you do the brainstorming, then you do the clustering, then you do the outlines. And after you do the outlines, you start writing each paragraph according to the outline that you have done. So today we are going to be talking about topic sentences, which is the sentence that establishes the main idea of a paragraph, all right? Let's go, come with me to page 134 and let's read together. And it says the topic sentence. And the boy is thinking, it is important that our crops are fresh and chemical free. I want to write a paragraph on why we should avoid using chemical fertilizers. But how do I start? He doesn't know. Let's see, what can we advise him to do to write that paragraph? How do you begin a paragraph? Now focus. The topic sentence contains the main idea of a paragraph, ¿ok? Esa oración contiene la idea principal del párrafo. Every good paragraph has a topic sentence. It is usually located at the beginning of a paragraph, but they can also appear in the middle or the end. Es bastante lógico que aparezca esta oración al principio del párrafo, pero en algunos casos puede aparecer en el centro o puede aparecer al final, ¿ok? The other sentences in a paragraph are called supporting sentences o esas oraciones que le dan apoyo a tu idea principal. They help to develop the main idea presented in the topic sentence. They provide details that support the topic sentence. Example. Let's see the example of what maybe this boy could have written. Using chemical fertilizers on crops can threaten our health. Some farmers use pesticides or chemical fertilizers while others use organic fertilizers like compost. Chemicals and pesticides have been proven to cause health problems. These health problems have been seen both in children and adults. When buying fruit or veggies, organic produce is always a better option. People who eat organic produce have less probabilities of becoming sick. You can go to your local farmer's market to ensure you eat chemical-free foods. Was that a good paragraph? Yes, it was great. It had a main idea, talking about crops, and then giving details about how farmers sometimes use chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and other times they only use compost to do it organically, all right? Now, practice on page 135. And this is what you are going to do. A draft. That's your first copy of what you are going to be writing about. Write 3 topic sentences about why we should eat organic produce. ¿Ok? Vas a escribir 3 oraciones que podrían ser las posibles oraciones que establezcan la idea principal de tu párrafo en por qué nosotros debemos comer orgánico, ¿ok? Now, editar. Pick one of the topic sentences you wrote above and write a letter to other farmers suggesting them to use organic fertilizers instead of chemicals to farm their crops. Now, proofread. This is another step. Write a final version of your letter in the space provided here. Check for mistakes. Make sure that your letter has a topic sentence, that your supporting sentences focus on the main idea, and that you have a closing sentence. Así que vas a escribir un párrafo. Vas a escoger una de las oraciones de la idea central que vas a escribir en la primera parte. Después vas a editar hasta llegar a tu párrafo final y a tu producto final. ¿Ok? Now, if you have any questions, just contact me. See you later, fifth grade.